take me far away from.
Okay. Okay. Once again. Okay, Ramesh. So how are you? How is your day today?
Yeah, fine, fine. How are you?
Yeah, I'm also fine. Okay. So just tell me about yourself. Like as a interviewer, what they are expecting when they will ask you that tell me about yourself. So you can highlight your total year of experience, your relevant experience, your primary skill set, your secondary skill set, short description about your project, like what domain you have worked on that. Then you can explain bit roles and responsibility. Okay, so you can go ahead.
Yeah, thank you for asking. My name is Ramesh. I am from the Hyderabad. I have 4+ years of experience in manual and automation testing. Manual 2 years of experience and automation 2.5 years of experience. I have good experience in Agile ceremony, and I have good experience in Rest Assured. In Rest Assured, 1.5 years of experience. As a tester, I can write the test case and execute. If I find the bug, I can resolve, and I can solve the bug. In case it cannot be solved, I can assign to the developer. Yeah,
Okay.
and
So
I can.
yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, I worked on 1 year of experience in banking domain, and remaining is e-commerce domain.
Okay.
Mostly, I have worked in black box testing only, regression testing and retesting.
Okay. So my cross question is, what is your, like in the current project, right? In your roles and responsibility, what is your contribution of automation?
As a, as a tester, I can write the test cases on functional testing. Uh, my On functional testing, I can write the test cases.
Okay, so are you doing any automation work in your current project?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so what the task you are doing in your automation? Understood, right?
In e-commerce, yeah.
Yeah. So suppose someone is assigning the task, right? The automation task. So what type of the task they are going to assign in your current project?
Mostly functional. We are depending on we are mostly we are doing on functional testing. And then they are assigned on depending on project. They assign uh,
Okay.
depending on project only.
Okay. I will come on that. So in software, like in manual testing, right? So out of 5, how you will rate yourself? If I say software
Mostly.
testing concept, okay? Software testing
Okay.
means manual and automation. This is the process, but the our field is software testing. We are a tester, and in end of the day, we are finding the defect only. Okay, so as a
Yes.
testing domain, what is your, how will you rate out of 5?
Yeah, 2.5 or 3 in manual testing.
Out of 5, you will rate 3, right?
Yeah, 2.5 to 3.
Okay. So if you are attending any interview, do not rate less than 3. Either you are,
Okay.
from there you will reject. So
Because
there,
of
no. Just I'm giving you the tips. That is different matter. Later we'll see.
okay, no problem.
I'm just
Okay,
giving you one small feedback, because these guys are not confident to rate also. How is confident, right? So if the interviewer will ask you when you don't prepare 100%, even I even someone will take interview for myself also, I will not give the 100%. So they are not expecting 100% answer. They are expecting, if I will assign the task you don't know, are you able to complete also or not? Right.
Yeah, I
So
know.
I am confident, hey,
Right.
I will complete the task you can assign me. If I don't know, I will learn. I will take the help. From the Google ChatGPT. I'll do it. Understood, right? So this is the one
Okay.
confidence
Yeah,
should
yes,
be
yes.
there. Okay. So
Okay.
can you explain what is agile? Like, suppose your sprint is going to start, right? So how your sprinting is starting? Understood, right?
Yeah, in agile, uh, uh, iterative process is there. Yeah, randomly, one little bit of project, little bit of software is delivered.
Mm-hmm.
In my in agile project, in agile
Okay.
ceremony.
Okay. So what type of the ceremony we have, like you are attending in your agile? We have a sprint planning, right? We have a sprint
Yeah,
grooming,
yeah.
right? Then
Yes, yes.
we have a daily stand-up meeting, right? Then we have a sprint
Yes,
review,
yes.
right? Then we have a sprint means retrospective, right? End of the sprint,
Yes, yes.
we had a discussion
Yes.
what went well and how to improve in the our coming sprint. What, like how to improve our, how we can become a more productive and all. Correct, right? So these are
Yes,
the
yes, yes,
agile
yes.
ceremony. So suppose someone has given one task, right? So they ask some feature to test. How you will define your um, uh, I can say a sprint. I can say user story point. Suppose
Yeah,
you are attending in your sprint planning, and your scrum master asks, "Can you tell me the user story point? What is the user story point you will take?"
depending on KT, we can understand the KT. Then we can estimate. You have to communicate with the seniors, and if
Mhm.
you if you don't know if, if you don't know about it, you can uh, ask to the seniors.
Okay, so
If you
here simply what you have to speak. I am new in project. Like this is my first sprint, so I don't know much about of how means application in the depth. Definitely it will take some time. Okay, so accordingly I can give the user story point. Suppose it will take genuine, the experienced people who already worked on that, it will take one user story point, I am taking two. If cross question, they will ask why are you taking two user story point, right? Then you can say this system is new for me and in the starting is taking the time for me. But if you are already working and someone will ask you this question, then you can say it depend upon the complexity of user story,
yes, yes,
right? So
yes,
this is your correct
yeah,
answer. Understood, right?
yeah, yes.
Okay, so what is I can say, what is your roles and responsibility in your uh, current project? Like what activity you are doing?
Yeah, in my project, we are doing the e-commerce domain.
Mm-hmm.
In e-commerce domain, we can write the test cases and review the test case, write the test cases and review the my team and
Mm-hmm.
execute the test case.
Mm-hmm.
If I find the bug, we can assign to the developer.
Mm-hmm.
As a tester, I can write this roles and responsibility.
Okay. Okay. So you are not involving any automation task.
Yes, yes, I'm involved in automation task also.
So in
Uh,
automation task, right? So what activity you are doing?
in automation task, in automation, automating test cases.
Okay.
In
Good. Okay. So you have a 4 year of experience, right? So
yes,
in 4 year of experience, if you have a manual and automation task, right? It's a difficult to work in the both thing, but it depend upon the how the requirements are coming. Is application is stable. We don't have a much manual task, then definitely your manager will ask you do automation work because the company is client is paying to company or paying to us, right? So we cannot sit idle, we need to show some task what we are doing, right? So basically as a 4 year of experience, they will ask you to do some script development. What do you meaning of a script development? Suppose in your backlog we have a many manual test cases, and we are going to automate these test cases, right? So they're having the planning because we have
yes,
a more effort when we are doing the regression. So what is, if someone will ask you what is your
Yes.
roles and responsibility in your current project, if you are working in manual and automation. So manual, you can define like we are getting the user story. If we have a user story, we are understanding the requirement, we are creating the test scenario, test cases, creating the test data. If it will deploy in our QA, then we can start to do the execution. If we are finding any defect, then we can follow up to the developer, raise the defect, follow up the developer and ask to fix in this sprint, or as how they are, because we need also retest, right? We need a time. That is the follow up. This is the one. When we don't have any manual task, or if they are dedicating to do some automation work, so our roles and responsibility in the automation is a script development. Okay, writing the script.
Yes.
Understood, right? I will
Yes.
discuss more about of the offline. End of the mock interview, I will give you some feedback also, so don't worry about that. Okay. So what is
Okay.
regression testing and what is sanity testing?
Regression testing means when we can find the bug. In case we can we can assign to the developer. Developer fix the bug, then reassigns to the reassigns to the us. We can test. It's called regression testing. Retesting.
No, I'm asking regression testing. Okay. So see, in the regression testing is nothing but, suppose you are getting some defect, right? Or you are have some user story. So
Yes.
what happens? Some code changes are there, right, in the application, correct? So we have
Yes.
tested the specific features, a specific defect. But if developers are doing any changes in our existing script, right? So might be something going to break in our existing features. Okay, so developer has done some code changes, I can say, then might be the chance it will impact our existing features also. Understood, right? So in this case, we are testing completely the whatever the changes you have done and whatever the existing we have. Suppose in our application, in my current script, we are getting around more 15 test cases. Those 15 test cases we can also execute, and we have existing 200 test cases we can also execute. So we are testing existing features and whatever the code changes we have done in our current features. That is called regression testing. Okay. So what is the smoke testing?
Yes.
What is the smoke testing?
Basic functionality can be tested.
Okay.
Basic functionality of the feature can be tested.
Okay. So see, a smoke testing means we are going to test the critical functionality. Understood, right?
Okay.
So critical functionality means, suppose our build is not stable. So sometime what happen when we have a new build, right? Fresh build. So we have a many means build is not stable. Sometime what happen, the core functionality is not working in your application. Suppose one means completely application is shut down. When you will hit the URL, you are getting 404 error something. Okay, 404. Understood, right? Or
Okay.
suppose
Yes.
we have a e-commerce, add cart button is, suppose you are going on the Amazon, or you want to purchase something, but when you are adding the product on the cart, right, that cart is not working. So it's a huge business loss, right? These are the critical functionality that is called a smoke testing. Okay, so
Yeah. Okay.
okay, how you raise the defect?
In Jira, we can run the bug.
How what the components are there while means raising the defect?
In Jira, we can in dashboard we can task is there. One button is task is there.
Okay, so while raising the defect, right? So what the activity you are doing? So in Jira we have a create issue, right? So
we are expected.
mhm.
Yeah, or expected equal to.
So see,
Is right.
first of all, we have to give the proper description, proper screenshot, and proper title of defect. These are the major part.
Yes.
Then we can define our severity and priority. Then you can define your
Yes.
environment, which environment this defect came. So these are the major thing. Apart from that, we have a many component, but these are the major things. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So I just move in the automation part. Okay. So which language you are comfortable in automation?
Yeah, in automation, Java, core Java and Selenium.
Okay. So Java out of 5, how will you rate?
Up to 4. Yeah, 3.5 or 4.
Okay. Okay. Fine. So can you explain what is OOP concept in Java?
Yeah, in OOPS concept, in OOPS, there are 4 pillars are there.
Mm-hmm.
Inheritance, encapsulation, and polymorphism, abstraction.
Okay. So what is polymorphism?
Polymorphism means we can one task can be divided into one task can be behave as a multiple.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So polymorphism means one person having the different
One,
behavior, right? So I
yeah,
am a I am the only one person. I am teaching you. I am a teacher. When I will go to office, I am the employee of that company. Correct, right?
yes,
I
yes,
am the
yes,
only one person, but I have a different behavior. The same thing
yes,
we have in the Java coding also. So we have a overriding concept and overloading concept. So
yes.
do you know what is overriding?
Yeah, in overriding, one class is there, and in different in one class is there, and another we can
Okay. So what is overriding concept?
same
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
overriding concept. Same method name same
Mhm.
method is uh, visible in
Okay, no
another
problem.
class.
I just give you some overview of the overriding. Overriding means redefining superclass non-static method in subclass with the same method signature. Okay, return type and method signature must be same. Accessibility modifier, it should not be decreased. Suppose you have defined the superclass, you know, public, you can give the same accessibility modifier in subclass, but you cannot define as a private,
Yes, yes,
because private have a lowest in order. If you will define the private, you can access within the class. Public is, so this is the definition of overriding. So overriding will execute what, what object you are holding. So suppose we have a super class type and we are holding the subclass type object, so that many uh, that object will execute, that object method will execute. Suppose we have a super class s equal to new subclass, so when you will call s dot login, then subclass login will execute. Okay. So
yes, yes, yes.
so how you are good in Selenium?
Yeah, out of 5, I can give 4.
Okay. So how to handle multiple window in Selenium?
Driver get window handles.
Okay.
Driver
So
sys2.
so what it will do? Get window handle.
It can give the set of windows.
You have to tell the steps.
Okay.
What the first steps we have?
We can switch to the window. Driver dot switch to the window.
Okay.
Then you can driver
First
dot
of all,
get window handles.
First of all, I can give you we have a get window handle. So get window handle, I'm not sure this my headphone is okay. So get window handle will capture the parent window ID. Okay.
Okay.
The parent window ID, it is returning the parent window ID. Then we have a method called get window handles. It will return the set of a string. Then here
Yes.
we can do some iteration and we can give the some condition. If parent window ID is not equal to child window ID, then we can switch driver dot switch to dot window and we can pass the
Window.
child window ID. Okay. Okay, Ramesh. So I have done my interview. I will give you feedback. Okay, and you have to work on that. Okay. So did you attend
Okay.
any interview before live interview?
Yes. I interviewed. I have attended more than 3 interviews.
So 3 interview, right? So they are not giving the proper feedback. I will give you the proper feedback. Please work on that. Okay. First of all,
Okay.
when you are attending the virtual interview, keep your camera. You can see how I am able to see. Okay, so it is a more visible
Okay.
to the interviewer. Got it? So interviewer will not tell
Okay.
you,
Okay.
hey, can you make this like understood, right? Eye
Okay.
contact
Okay.
is
Okay.
important. These are the general thing. Second thing, you have
Okay.
to brush up very clearly your software testing concept. Understood,
Okay.
right? See, whatever you are working, that is a different thing. But if you will go in the interview, they will ask you the basics thing. Understood, right? So please prepare
Yes. Yes.
well.
Yes.
Okay, prepare well, like software testing. In my YouTube channel, I think, did you follow my YouTube channel?
Yes. Yes.
Okay,
I'm following.
okay. So you can see we have a manual testing tutorial. Prepare well for the manual testing, or you can follow the Guru 99 also website. Okay,
Okay.
for manual testing. I don't know Java where you have learned and Selenium where you have learned. Whatever the answer
Okay.
you are giving, you are not confident, means you don't have a proper, I can say you did not brush up, or your concept is not clear, right?
Yes.
This
Yes.
is the
Yes.
reason. If you will give this type of the answer, definitely you will reject in the interview. Okay,
Okay.
so I don't know where you have learned, but we are going to start new batch for Java Selenium in 17th of July. As how I have taken my interview, I suggest you join my session. You will get many things. Okay, as your wish, join at least demo class. Okay, what you have
Okay.
learned, where you have learned, I'm not sure. Okay, but just this is the genuine feedback. So now stop your interview. Do not attend the interview. You will get frustrated. Your time will waste. Understood, right? So prepare well. Are See, whatever the answer you are giving, right? Are you satisfied with your answer?
No. 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 Yes.
No,
I'm
right?
not satisfied
See,
because
so,
I'm not prepared very well.
yeah, got it right. So from today onwards, you are
Yes.
getting some genuine feedback, right? Stop your interview.
Yes.
Okay, focus on the
Okay.
preparation. Okay, so you have to prepare first manual part like agile, how it is work. I have given a very good content over there. Prepare the notes as well. Spend the time and spend the time on the automation. Okay, after 2 months,
Okay.
again you can come here and you can see the clarity how you are good in, and you have a more confident to sit in the interview. And the people who attended my mock interview, I have given the genuine feedback after they have worked on that, and they have offer letter, and you will get also offer letter.
Okay.
You need some guidance, you need some proper content how to do the preparation, because working in the different thing in the organization and interview is the different thing. But if you have a both, I think, suppose you join somewhere, you don't like the work, you don't like the salary, okay, start the interview. That's the attitude I want to everyone. Understood, right? Okay, so start from learning from today manual testing. Okay, I will share the
Okay.
automation live classes link. Just join the demo and see how it will goes. Okay, stop your interview. Do not attend the interview right now. Your time will waste. You will get frustrated. Got it right?
Okay. Okay.
So we'll take one more mock interview after 2 months. Okay, give the 2 months. Follow me. Spend the 1 and 2 hours daily, and after 2 months you can see your changes here only.
Okay.
Got it right? And definitely you are able to switch the
Yeah.
company.
One question is there. I
Yeah.
have one question.
Go ahead.
Can I ask?
Yeah,
Yeah.
you can.
I want a real time experience guidance. Can you provide
Yes,
it? I can.
yes. That's why I told you join the classes, because I know the problem. I know where are you lacking. Okay, understood, right? You will have,
Yes.
you can go easily for 4 years of experience, automation, manual and automation. You can crack the interview, or you are able to work in the company as well. Got it right?
Okay.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll discuss more in offline, and just follow me, and I am giving you 100% surety. After 2 months you can see the changes yourself. Just you can do hard work. If I say do this,
Okay.
you can do lot of practice. forget 2 month everything. Just focus on what I will tell you, okay? And then you will sit
Okay,
in the
okay.
interview, then you can feel how you are confident. Okay? Okay,
Yeah.
Ramesh, thanks for joining. We will discuss more
How
in
can I?
offline.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah,
go
yeah.
ahead.
1 minute.
Go
1
ahead.
minute.
Go ahead.
How
Go
can
ahead.
I get? How can I get? How can I interact with real time experience?
That
Who are
will
not
I
in
will
the.
discuss you the offline. First, we can have a strong knowledge in the technical basics thing. Understood, right?
Okay, okay.
Then
Yeah.
we will discuss in the class, because real time experience means, but you have to know the basics. If you don't
Yes,
know
yes, yes.
ABCD, I can say write the. Where are you from?
I am from Telangana, Hyderabad.
Okay, Hyderabad. I can say, can you tell me about of Hyderabad? Few sentences. So you don't know ABCD, right? How you are understood, right? So we can build the basics. Then we can go for the advanced topic. Then real time. Understood, right? Got it? Okay, we'll discuss
Yes.
more about that. Okay. From today onwards or tomorrow onwards, you can start to learn manual testing. I have a 35 videos. You can refer the Guru 99, and automation. You can join my classes. Okay.
1 minute. 1 minute.
Yeah. Go
So,
ahead.
in some, I have attended some of the interviews.
Okay.
Then they are asked some questions from only automation only. They are hiring from automation. They are only asking from automation only. But they
Okay.
are not asking from manual testing.
Yes. Why I am asking, right? So if you have a requirement for manual and automation also, you are able to crack. If you are asking only automation, you are also able to crack. In the last, I
Okay,
need
okay,
a
okay.
decent salary. That's it. You can give the manual task
Okay.
or automation task. I am able to do it. So I am the all rounder. That's it. We cannot say I cannot do this part, and I can learn. I can do it. I have this knowledge. I can do it. That confidence will
Okay.
come when you have a good in technical. Okay, understood, right?
Okay.
So
Yeah,
right
yeah.
now, do not attend the interview. Okay, you have to do
Right,
preparation
right.
first. Okay,
Yeah,
Ramesh,
yeah.
thanks for joining.
Yeah, thank you.
And
Welcome.
after that,
Welcome, welcome.
definitely you will get. So how you are feeling, like this feedback is fine for you or not?
Yeah. By by attending this interview, my mistakes is the
Yes.
how where is the my mistakes, and
Yes.
I'm getting where is the mistakes, and
Ye-
what is I can learn.
yes. Okay, Ramesh, we'll talk offline. Okay. Chalo. Bye.
Okay, okay. Thank you.